smile with your eyes.
Alrighty guys, so today I'm gonna be doing some kind of lentil. I don't know if it's gonna be soup, but I'm gonna make lentils with some vegetables. With curry. I'm gonna do curry again because that's all I have right now. That's all I can think of. But yes, so it is my day, what I want to say, day 3 on the plant-based. So I'm just gonna cut this like this. Now put this bag into the Instapot, and we're gonna just kind of layer all the food, okay? So for the broccoli, I'm just gonna put some inside and then chop it up. I've just been liking broccoli like that lately. Okay. Okay. Then I'm gonna cut up a bell pepper. So I do got a red piece of bell pepper. Just gonna chop it up. Okay. I do have a jalapeno. I'm gonna put some of that inside just so that I can, you know, it can taste a little bit better with the heat. So I just cleaned out the inside. Okay. And then we're gonna just kind of like, I'm just gonna use one side. What should I do two? Let's just do two then. I do like a jalapeno. Alright, there you go. I do have this garlic. I'm gonna put a couple spoons in there. Alright, so we got the lentils in there. I put 3 cups of water. And then I'm just gonna throw all these veggies in. And I do have some of this purple onion that I'm gonna throw in. I'm gonna put a scoop. A scoop should be enough. Then I found zucchini in my refrigerator. I'm gonna just throw some. Why not? I just don't want it to waste my veggies, so I'm gonna just throw it in here. Hopefully it'll become good. I'm just making any kind at this point. Alrighty. I'm gonna use this spice today and just see how it is. We're just throwing some in. So this here, I got the, what was the name? The cardamom and some of the curry. So this is going in here. And I got the, what was that name? Coriander and some of the turmeric. So we're gonna go and put this. I don't really know how to use these spices yet, so I'm just kind of playing with it. So if you're over there saying, oh, that's too much, too little, it's because I don't really know how to cook with it yet. So we're gonna just be learning together. And then I'll put some of this paprika. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and throw that in there as well. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this black pepper. These are good because you gotta, you know, do it like that. Okay, and we're gonna do a couple pinches of Hawaiian salt. Maybe one more because that's a lot. Okay, and then I will be putting some of this kale right on top. Yes, the more the merrier of the vegetables, I guess. But we're gonna see what happens. Alrighty, so I put some kale in there. We're gonna go turn this on, or put this on here. Make sure everything is okay. And then what are we doing? I think this is okay there. Alrighty guys, so we'll wait and see what happens. Okay, so this is how it's looking. Might not look that appetizing, but it tastes good. So I'm gonna make my rice. Ready guys, so this is gonna be my lentils and my corn and my rice. So that's what's going on. Let's have a taste. It's not too bad, but yeah, I'm gonna use some Tabasco. Okay, and then it's all done. There you go guys. So this is my day 3 vegan, plant-based